friction, rolling. To determine the force of limiting friction for rolling our roller on a horizontal plane. Equipments required are a smooth horizontal plank and a pulley attached to one end, a roller with a hook, light pan, weight box, balance, a spirit level and a string. Procedure: weigh the pan and record your observation. Weight of the pan W is equal to 20 gram weight. Using the spirit level, adjust the level of the plank to be horizontal by using leveling screws attached to it. Tie one end of the string to the roller, pass it over the pulley, and suspend the pan from its other end. Place the roller at one end of the plank and adjust the pulley so that the string is horizontal. Add weights gradually to the pan so that the roller just begins to roll. Note the weight added to the pan when the roller just begins to roll. Calculate the total effort, weight of pan plus weights added to it as F, expressed in gram weight. Here, F equals the limiting force of static friction for rolling the roller. Repeat the procedure for 4 more times. Find the mean value of the limiting value of the limiting force of static friction.